Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my weekly predictions and analysis for oil and natural gas. Last week as I told below $106 levels, crude oil may hit $95. This is what exactly it achieved. In fact, it went below the important and critical support at $95 but bounced back nicely, closing the week at $103 levels. And for NG, it perfectly traded in range. I have told many a times and I am reiterating again, 44.4 to $4.5 levels is very crucial support for NG. I will be bearish only if it breaks 4.4, and yet this time it has again proven it that 4.5 levels it failed to break, bounced back nicely and closed the week at $4.92 levels. Now what is going to happen next week? We are going to look with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. I am going to give you the trading range, levels, and where to enter, where to exit, all of this in the coming session. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, and don't forget to press the bell icon and stay tuned. I also provide my daily morning update for oil and NG with the Asia session opens. This sets the tone for the day. Definitely it helps you in day trading decisions. So press the bell icon, stay tuned with the latest analysis. Now let's start the day with oil first. Now this is the daily charts for oil and you can see how beautifully it is taking the support from this long-term trend line. It has still got its support. Also, if you consider this as the pivot, it is still widening, and in fact it is almost achieved this high while creating this reversal. I told many times that probably from here it can try to reverse. That is what it is, extremely overbought, filled the gap here. Now it is traded with a support at $95 levels and in fact went below till 92. Now this zone at 95 is again important for next week too. But now let's come back to the near term. On the near term charts, see the resistance is definitely at $105 levels. Next week if you see it trading above 105, rather I'll say next week if you see it trading above 106, which is going to be important resistance. If it breaks 106 again, definitely it is going to fly past 110, and again the target is going to be somewhere here at 114. So probably once it breaks past 106, you can expect it to rise till towards 114 plus levels. So we have to be a bit cautious. But look at the daily charts here. This is candle. The flat top is almost there. There is a strong resistance right now at 105, and if it opens flat, probably we may see again a red candle there, which will try to take it towards $100 and in fact can go till towards 95. This is going to be an important support, and maybe this time it may try to remain or it may try to remain shy of $95 levels and can bounce back again. This time first probably it can try to consolidate within this zone, closing the week at around 102, and then it can try to rise again next week. So this is what we can expect on the daily charts, or it is what we are seeing on the daily charts. Now look at the weekly charts here. On the weekly charts you can find that, see, a strong bearish candle. After this strong rise, failed to go past flat open there, flat head is there, there is no wick available, and with this it is formed a strong tail out there. Now next week if you see it dropping below 103, yes, you can go short there. Below 103 you can again expect it to come back to 100, and then in fact it can try to come back till towards 95.5. I'll expect this zone at 95.5 to provide support. If this zone at 95 is taken, definitely it may try to hit $90 levels, 90 to 92 zone, which is going to be a strong support zone for oil for any further drop. So this is what we can expect on the weekly analysis. Also, if you see it rising beyond 106, definitely it is going to fly past 110, and this can be considered that as reversal. It is going to hit 114, and in fact sky is the limit. On the upside it can continue to rise. So we have got a couple of entries there on the daily and weekly charts. Now let's have a look at the monthly charts also. On the monthly charts, definitely this is a strong bullish candle out there, and probably if it tries to close the month below 100, then I will consider this as a reversal candle, and next month you can expect crude oil to break again strongly. So I'll be watchful of this, and probably if it tries to trade above this zone at 110, closes the week above 110, probably you can expect that crude oil, there is still much bullishness left and it can continue to rise again in the coming sessions. However, the month has left a long wick, and there is a strong support available here at 95 to $92 levels, and if it breaks this zone at 95, definitely I will expect it to act further bearish, and we may see a good drop this month itself. However, I am apprehensive of that. I don't expect it to break this zone at 90 to $95 levels. Now this is on the candlestick charts. Let's have a look at the indicators. What do the indicators are indicating here? Indicators on the daily charts, you will find that, see, it is trading below the 20 period simple and exponential moving average, and this also confirms our entry that only long entry is beyond 106, where you can expect 108, 111, 118 dollar levels also. So a probable confirmed re-entry entry or buy is at around $106 levels. Now look at this on the downside. You will find that there is a strong support coming into picture at 95, 96 and 94.94 levels. So this zone between 94 to 96 and in fact 92 is going to be strong support zone for crude oil for any further break. I don't expect that this is going to breach this zone, as it is still, or it is trying to consolidate and probably may give a breakout, and hence I'll be expecting it to give a bounce back again from 94 $95 levels or $95.5 levels. It can again bounce back on the upside next week. So if you see, first take a short entry at 103, you can profit there. You can expect it to drop till to $100, 97, 95.5, 94.5, and from there you can take a long entry and expect it to reverse, so you can profit either ways. This is what we can see here. Now look at this, the directional movement is again on the buy side. It is crossed over, however running parallel, still it is on the buy side. Probably couple of green candles may make them diverge, or a couple of red candles will make converge and crossover again. So however, right now it is in buy zone, but we'll be watchful. Look at this on the daily charts. The stochastic had hit a bottom there. You can see this is a reversal candle, and since then it is reversed and it is looking upwards. There is a gap between the buy and sell line and looking upwards also, and also the variance is in fact at the bottom there. So probably we can expect it to give couple of green candles and it can try to rise. I'll expect even if it drops, it is going to bounce back again, and hence probably first observation that it can try to trade in range between 95 to 105, and if it breaks either ways, definitely you can expect it to give it a good move. Now MACD lines, here it is crossed over, trading in sell, however running parallel. From here couple of green candles will make them convert, crossover and enter into buy zone, and RSI is neither overbought nor oversold, and indicating probable comfortable levels here right now for oil for any further move. So here we have got the glimpse of the charts and indicators, both are in sync, and the indicators and the charts and indicators are indicating both at the same levels, that yes, a long entry beyond 106 can be a very good long entry which might take it towards 111, 118. So now let me sum up and give you the trading levels for next week. First, let's talk about the buy point, where to buy. You can take a long entry at 105.2. If it rises beyond 105.2, definitely it is going to hit $106 levels, and beyond 106 my next target is 109, 111, 115 and 118. It can rise till there. It is still very much bullish. It can continue to rise beyond 106. There could be a strong move which we can expect, and probably we can expect it to rise till towards 118 also. But at the same time, if it trades below 102.7, here you can take a short entry. At 102.7 you can expect the first support at 100, then 97.3, 95.5, 94.5 and 94. Till here it can bounce back again. Below 94 I'll expect 92 again and $90 levels. I don't expect that it is going to break this zone, but my expectations doesn't work. These are markets, so trade only with levels. Simple, very simple. My expectations are just my wish list, and markets don't behave as per the wish list. However, this is the expertise which I am trying to share. I can be wrong also. However, I expect that probably this zone again will provide a very strong support for crude oil next week, and it is going to bounce back here from these levels. If it tries to drop till here, it can bounce back. Mark my words, trade accordingly. But yes, you can enjoy your shorts still there. You can expect it to reap good profits. If you take a short entry at 102.7, it can give you good profit still 97.3 and 95 levels. On the upside, any long entry here will definitely provide a good profit. So take your positions accordingly, trade either ways, trade as per the levels, mark these levels and take your entries accordingly. Also, now let's have a look at NG or natural gas. So NG has taken its support at $4.4 levels. This is a very strong support. It is trying to reverse. Also look at this, lower highs is what it is indicating. So first it has got support at 4.4, now at 4.5, and with 4.5 as support it is trying to reverse. And yes, you can take a long entry if you see it trading any point of time. If you see it trading above 5.1 levels, definitely it is going to rise strongly this time. Probably it can try to create a double top at $5.5 also. So remember 5.5, 5.15 zone, this zone if it breaks, definitely it is going to rise strongly. Right now there is a resistance at $5 levels. Breaking $5 levels, yes, you can take a long entry for 5.1, 5.5 zone, 1515 zone. This is going to be strong resistance zone and it can try to reverse from there. So yes, a long entry can be taken, but still with an expectation of reversal from 5.1, 5.15 zone, and if it breaks this, definitely it is going to fly past 5.3, 5.4, 5.5 levels. On the downside, as I said, there is a strong support at 4.5, 4.4 zone. This zone I have told many times is going to give it stronger support. This time 4.5 has given it a stronger support. Now let's come back to the near term charts. Also look at this, it is creating higher highs and higher lows. So it is consistently trying to continue in the upward trending channel. But look at this, on the near term, if you find that it has failed to go past the previous high, indicating that bulls are not trying to take the control here. Also look at this, the previous candle is almost a flat head, and yes, with a small wick, and if it drops below 4.9 next week, probably you can again expect it to come back to 4.85. If it drops below 4.85, again 4.8 is definitely a good support, and yes, any move beyond 4.2 4.8, definitely it is going to break towards 4.6, 4.5 zone. So I'll be watchful, and any move beyond 4.5 it is going to rise. $5 levels, definitely it is going to rise. So a no entry zone between 4.9 to $5 levels. In fact, it can reverse from 4.8, 4.7 zone and again head towards 5.2, 5.3 levels. So a swing probably we can expect on either sides from 4.9 or last week's closing. That is what we can see here on the daily charts. Now let's have a look at the weekly charts. On the weekly charts, higher lows is what we can see. Higher highs is what we can see. However, this time it failed to go past $5 levels. This is my observation. And in fact, barring this middle candle, previous to previous candle also got a strong resistance there at $5 levels. But still in this zone between 4.5 to $5, I'll be watchful. Any breakout, as I said, beyond $5 will definitely give it a stronger rise. How far this could go? This time it can go, in fact, go and cross $5.5 levels and head towards 5.6. This is going to be a stronger resistance. It will continue the journey and it can head towards $5.6 levels. So any break beyond $5 levels, close your eyes, go long. You can again expect it to hit towards $5.6 levels. Very good profit you can earn there by taking a long entry at $5. And yes, below 4.9 you can expect that yes, 4.85, 4.8 and 4.6 levels are going to provide a stronger support. Now look at the monthly candle. On the monthly chart, there is a strong room for NG to rise on the upside, and this time see it is trying to get a resistance here at $5.5 levels. I expect that it is going to go past this $5.5 levels. We can expect it to in fact cross this $5.5 levels and head till towards 5.8. So yes, towards the end of the month we can expect that probably see here from 3.6 to almost 4.9 levels we have seen $1.3 move, and from here 4.5 to 1.3 almost 5.8 you can expect. So this is what is also confirming the calculation. This is also the top of the previous three candles, and any move beyond $5 levels close your eyes, remain long, probably, or rather I'll say 5.02. If it trades above 5.02, yes, near term resistance you can find it at around 5.1, 5.15 levels. Beyond that, definitely it is going to hit 5.4, 5.5, 5.8 levels in the coming trading sessions. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators. What does the indicators are suggesting? Whether the charts and indicators are in sync. The beauty of these charts and indicators, if they both speak the same language, it happens the same way. Now look at this, it is trading above the 20, 50, 100 moving average, and here for at $4.7 levels, it has got its strong support at 4.75, $4.7 from the 20 period moving average, and here at $4.5 levels from the 50 period moving average. This zone between 4.75 and 4.5 is very important for NG for any further downward move. If it breaks this zone, definitely it is going to break strongly, and this is what we have seen from the candlestick charts alone. And look at the directional movement is still bullish. This is parallel and indicating probable bullishness. However, the stochastic here is almost have come back to the overbought levels, and hence you can expect that, but yes, this is still lagging and may try to continue in for a couple of days in this overbought zone, and probably or either take a drop and then rise. This is can also be expected. Yes, that can happen. Also look at the MACD has just crossed over on the buy side but are almost running parallel. So here's a good long entry beyond 5.02. Definitely it is going to rise, and below 4.9 we can expect 4.85, 4.8, 4.75, and below that it is going to drop towards 4.6, 4.5 levels. So this is what almost all the charts are in sync. However, MACD crossover indicates that probably we can see couple of bullish candles which might take it towards 5.2, 5.4 zone. So now considering this, let me give you the trading levels for next week. Before I provide my trading levels for next week, see, first thing is to invest in learning. If you can predict the markets, if you can read the charts, if you can read the candlestick charts and indicators, if you know the strategies, definitely you can profit. And don't commit the same mistakes which 99.99% of the traders do. They try to make money first from markets, and then try to, when they incur heavy losses, they try to learn. Be the smart one. First learn, first invest in your learning, and then try to trade, and then reap the benefits for the lifetime. So my next mentorship batch is starting on 4th of April. You can be part of this training session, and definitely it will help you become a proficient and efficient trader. Also, if you want to take be the part of my VIP signals, reach out to me via Telegram or email for details. So now let's have a look at the levels here. So I'll consider, or I will recommend a buy at $5.02 levels. At 5.02 you can buy NG, 5.1 and 5.15. The next resistance is still here. Probably it can again drop, but yes, beyond this I will expect 5.3, 5.4 and 5.5. In fact, beyond this it is going to hit 5.8 levels. So mark my words, one can remain long above 5.1, 5.15 zone if it continues to trade beyond this zone, then and then only. However, if you see it reversing, you can put your stop loss here, take profit, and try to see if it reverses, then take a short entry. Also, where to sell, I will recommend you to take a short entry at 4.88. Below 4.88 you can expect it to get support at 4.85. Take profit there and try to see if it reversing or not. If it continues to drop, take a short entry again, 4.8, 4.75. See, almost every 5 points there is a support available. Below that it is going to hit 4.65 and 4.58. It can drop till there. However, this zone at 4.5 is again going to be stronger support. I don't expect that it is going to break till here. In fact, if it drops, it can try to bounce back at max from 4.58 levels. At max, I am saying at max means I don't expect that it is going to break below, and it is, in fact, it is not necessary that it is going to break till here. It can bounce back from any point here. See, these are the two strong support levels which it might not break this week and probably try to rise again. A probable trading zone can be expected 5.15 to 4.8. Any move beyond 5.15 by month end, by this March end, you can expect it to hit $5.8 levels. So take your positions accordingly. This is all from my side, and reach out to me for any of your trading or training related queries. And my email IDs and Telegram IDs are mentioned in the description. And for joining my Telegram channel, you can definitely remain updated from the next moves in the market. So join the Telegram channel also. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.